tied for first in the IFL with a total of 48 tackles. But an outstanding defender. A couple of pass blocks to his resume this year. See the ball hauled on in by the newest Green Bay Blizzard, Aiona Key. Aiona out of University of Utah.
And we saw 2 weeks ago when they ran that just go down, turn around, and stop.
I'm elevated. I'm floating on cloud 9 times out of 10. You can find me with a cup in my hand, filled to the rim with oil. Throwing up the middle finger. But I'm not an alcoholic, I'm just a serious social drinker. Heavy thinking, thumper, toting, don't trust nobody but I. Cause the scammers be plotting, and if they could, they'd try. Like last night at the club. God is my witness. I was sitting at my table, minding my own business, living it up to the highest. Like every day is Christmas. Some sucker tried to try us, hating on our riches. I guess they didn't like it, cause we got all the bitches. They didn't wanna fight us, cause my niggas with the shit. Fuck compromising, explaining, and trying to reason. We'll catch them outside of the club and leave them niggas leaking. I be beasting. And now you are about to witness, I be beasting. You be beasting, right? I be beasting. Yeah, when I get in the local booth and I get on that microphone, I be one lovely beastie, 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 I be. And now, when my money was hecka small, I made it look like it was tile. Put your hater up in his jaw. He didn't want to shake my paw. When I used to push that raw on the other side of the law. Where the prices fluctuate and go up and down like a seesaw. Nah, this ain't no hee-haw. Clown shit, this real. I slap a buster with the heel of my hammer about my screw. I take a up-tempo track. Put some game behind my rap. I'm like that. Motherfucker, I'm a Mac. Hide your back. When she fuck around and get snatched, I'm from the flats. The hillside to be exact. Catting off and simping ain't what this player do, son. There's only like 7 real niggas left on this earth, and I'm one of them. I be beasting, mania, manish little heathy. The rawest niggas speaking. They call me Earl Stevens. And now you are about to witness, I be beasting. You be beasting, right? I be beasting. Yeah, when I be up in the function and I be full of that alcohol, I be one lovely beastie, 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 I be. And now, bosses do what they want, suckers do what they can. I'm feeling like Tarzan, got a pocket full of money and I'm confident. Got a fifth of Landy Cognac and some Romulan. Some Romulan? Yeah, some Chiba. It's handling, but my strand of choice is sativa. When she was young, she wasn't looking all that tight. Take making good, for example. Now she looking right. I'm about to take her down tonight. I'll be beasting in the bed. I like them dark, light, and bright. Yellow bone and red. I'm loaded and I'm twisted and I'm faded.
First and goal at the 5-yard line. Key will be on the line. 2 receivers in motion, top of your screen with Bell and Sanders.
Ooh, he's got him out there.
Key's able to haul it in and
get his
welcome.
head across. That's a touchdown.
Welcome to Green Bay. Aiona Key just signed on April the 12th. In his Blizzard debut, finds the end zone to start this third quarter, and Green Bay enhances their lead.
And look how he catches this ball. He's wide open as he comes out and goes right flat to the sidelines. Finally, Copeland gets the ball over to him, but now right here, get your head down, boom, get that momentum going and get in the end zone. And the referee on the bottom side said, yeah, he crossed the plane.